finally got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, one of the most talked about cameras of 2024, and it's still making waves in 2025. It's small, powerful, and packed with features that promise cinematic vlogs, buttery smooth stabilization, and an incredible low light performance. But is it still worth it in 2025? Today, I'm unboxing it, testing its features, and sharing my first impressions. So let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. Alright, so this just came in and I've been waiting for it. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. I've seen so many videos about it, but now I get to see it for myself and I'm kinda excited, so let's open this up. So this is how it looks. So the packaging is pretty clean and DJI always keeps it simple. So they've got the camera on the front and in the back it shows some of the features like 4K 120 FPS, 1-inch sensor and the active track 6.0. And that's what I'm excited to try. So, and since it's a creator combo, it comes with all the extra stuff. So let's just unpack everything. Let's see what we have got on this. Okay, we have got the protective case and these are some of the documents and manuals. We're gonna keep that aside. Now open this up. I can feel it's of a nice quality. Yeah. So this is the cover, protective case. We're gonna keep that aside for a minute. Let's take a look at what's inside this. Okay, so everything is packed pretty neatly. Here we have our, oh my god, okay, it's heavy, like not so heavy, but yeah, this is so good, guys. We're gonna look at it after a while. This is my first time making any unboxing or something. So okay, here you can see the extra battery handle. And this is the mount. This is the mini tripod stand. It's nice. Okay, this DJI mic 2. It's nice. So there we have the windscreen and the strap. So this goes here. It's like this. We have the Type-C cable. And okay, this is the wide lens attachment. Pretty delicate, like not delicate, but I have to handle it nicely. It's magnetic, so it just sticks on it. Let me show you. Like this is it. So it just sticks on like this. Then you can just remove it. Pretty simple. I have the magnet. So it's a really strong magnet. It's attached here. As you can see, it's pretty tough. So yeah. So this was all in this. अभी वो स्टार्ट ही नहीं करेगा. Enough talking, let's see what this camera can actually do. So I wanted to test the mic quality, the inbuilt mic quality. और उसके लिए मैं छत आई हूँ और यहाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा ही हवा चल रहा है, गर्म हवा, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हवा है यार. लेकिन चलता है माइक टेस्टिंग के लिए. Let me show you the view. Bro, this is actually so good. अभी मैं इसका एक्टिव ट्रैकिंग ऑन करूँगी because I want to test कि इसका एक्टिव ट्रैकिंग how it works. So रहा एक्टिव ट्रैकिंग ऑन और ये इसने किया मुझे detect. Okay. So placing it with so much like okay. Oh my god, it's just like a pet. It's just like having a pet who only looks after you. Okay, love this. Another mic testing, but this time it's the DJI mic 2 with the windscreen on. अब देखते कि ये कितना wind noise को cancel कर सकता है. Hi everyone, if you don't know me or if you're new to my channel, my name is Achal Kumari. Yeah, That Kumari was not necessary, but yeah, still. My name is Achal and इसे क्लिप कर देते हैं. Okay. ये स्क्रीन पे दिखाता है कि लाइक ऑडियो कितना हाई लेवल तक जा रहा है. राइट नाउ इट्स गुड. हे गाइस, हवा तो बड़ा अच्छा चल रहा है यार, लेकिन अगर ये ठंडा हवा होता और ना कि इतना गर्म सा हवा तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता. या सो दैट्स इट. होप अभी तक में तो इसका आपको क्वालिटी पता चल ही गया होगा. मेरे को ऐसे सुनने आया था कि इसका जो क्वालिटी है वो Osmo Pocket और DJI के प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ काफ़ी अच्छा आता है, rather than being connected to any other device. या वो तो कहने का बात है, वो तो सबका एक्सपीरियंस है अपना अपना. वो मैं भी कनेक्ट करके एक बार देखूँगी तभी पता चलेगा. दिस इज़ द वाइड एंगल लेंस. इट्स राइट. So it just magnetically sticks to the camera. Yeah, just get a wide angle shot by putting this. It's done. If you like it. Right now I'm in my study table. Quite obvious, but I'm not studying. कितना सही है यार, ऐसे हटा दो तो हट जाता है वाइड एंगल. Yeah, so this was it for today's video, and if you like it then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share your opinions in the comment section, and yeah, like this video and share it with your friends. Bye, see you in my next video. Till then, take care.